Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to discuss about mini project 3. So, the task is to create at least 2 to 3 short AI videos using the subject plus action plus style. So, we have discussed about this in the previous video. So, all you need to do is you have to use the same style to create two to 3 AI videos. So, first create prompts. Once you have the prompts ready, create image or images and then use those images to create videos. At any point in time, if you feel like you want to know more details about style formula, okay, you can easily write the subject. You can also easily write action. But if you need more details about style formula, these are these are very good style examples. So let's say for example you are creating cinematic and film video. So you can use the style as cinematic, film noir, silent film, black and white classic, Bollywood style, Hollywood blockbuster, anim, anime film style, documentary style, slow motion. So this is for cinematic and film styles. So this is for art and painting style like watercolor, oil painting, pencil sketch, ink drawing. So there are a lot of possibilities. There is like so many possibilities that you can use to create these videos. So these are all very good examples. These are all very good examples to use it as styles to create videos. So what I'm going to do is I am also going to attach this particular information as a document to this section so you can use them as reference to finish this project. So please create these videos and you will be very good. All right, I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.